Hello, I'm in a 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and today I'm going to show you how to connect your phone's Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So first you want to start the vehicle. Usually takes a few moments for everything to load. And then make sure this is all on. Usually buttons like these will turn it on if it's not auto on for some reason. Also obviously want to make sure your phone device is powered on with something like this blue symbol highlighted. That indicates that the Bluetooth is on my phone. And holding that will usually open your Bluetooth menus as well, which we're going to need in a moment. But from here, whatever interface it opens up, you want to go to your media options, and then there should be a setup. Again, with that little kind of same symbol, that's your Bluetooth symbol, so we're set up. There's always a limit to how many phones you can have on a vehicle, so you might need to delete one before you can add a new device. But we're going to do the add device. It's going to have this random PIN number for pairing, but from your device you want to make sure you're in scan mode to look for new, and we are looking for Uconnect, so that was quick. And then it should have us confirm this PIN on your device, so wait in just a moment. Alright, so then we'll confirm from both ends, from our phone as well as the vehicle. And then that should be about all you have to do. You can sync up your phone books to make your phone calls easier while driving, which again it's asking you want to make a favorite. It'll prompt if you want to upload messages, things like that. And obviously you can listen to Bluetooth, all that sort of stuff as well, which makes it pretty convenient. But anyways, I hope this was helpful today, and hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.